Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about the effects of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha. And we will also learn about the remedies for Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha. To explain all this, I'll be quoting from an ancient book called Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, which was written by sage Parashara Maharishi. I will also quote from another ancient book called Pulipani Jodhidam, which was written by sage Pulipani. So, please watch the full video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button below. This channel will be very useful to you. If you don't know the basics of Vedic astrology and if you want to learn the basics first, please go to the link below in the description and watch the 2-part video, Learn Vedic Astrology in One Day, and also the Vimshottari Dasha videos. You can also visit through the link above. Usually, the duration of Saturn's planetary period is for 19 years. During these 19 years of Saturn's planetary period, planet Saturn plays a very big role in shaping our lives. During those 19 years of Saturn's planetary period, other planets also play a minor role, especially during their respective planetary subperiods. And those subperiods are known as Antardashas. The effect of any planetary period or subperiod will depend on the individual birth chart. For example, the effect of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha will vary from one person to another depending on the individual birth chart. To analyze the effect of any Dasha or Antardasha, you should analyze the overall planetary placements in the individual birth chart. For example, if you want to analyze the effect of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha in any individual birth chart, then you should analyze the lordships and the positions of Saturn and Rahu in the main birth chart as well as in all divisional charts. However, some effects of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha will be common for many people. Those effects are known as general effects. In ancient times, many wise sages have written about the general effects of all planetary dashas and antardashas. In ancient times, many wise sages have written about the general effects of all planetary dashas and antardashas. One of them is sage Pulipani Siddhar. In his ancient book called Pulipani Jodhidam, sage Pulipani has written about the general effects of all planetary dashas and antardashas. Now, let's look at the verse written by sage Pulipani Siddhar about the general effects of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha. உண்டாகும் காரிதிசை ராகு புத்தி உறுதியில்லா மாதமது 34 கொண்டாகும் நாளதுவும் ஆறதாகும் கொடுமையுள்ள அதன் பலனை குறித்து சொல்வோம் விண்டான வியாதியுடன் வாந்தி காணும் விதமான சரீரமதில் மேகரணம் உண்டாம் துண்டாகும் சரீரமது இரு பிளவாய் போகும் துன்பமுள்ள நாளதனில் சாவாம் மாசே. Here, sage Pulipani says that the entire duration of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha is for 34 months and 6 days. That is, the entire duration of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha is for 2 years, 10 months and 6 days. Sage Pulipani Siddhar says that Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha mostly gives bad results. Here he mentions Kodumayulla Adan Palan, which means it will give very bad results. According to sage Pulipani Siddhar, Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha will give unexplainable health problems. According to sage Pulipani Siddhar, Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha will bring unexplainable and undetectable health problems. He says that Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will cause vomiting and nausea. He also says that a person passing through Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will receive injuries and pain in many parts of his body. There is a very high risk of losing a limb or any body part during the Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha. For some people, Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha can also cause death. Now, let's look at verses written by sage Parashara Maharishi in his book called Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, where he explains about the effects of Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha. Before we look at sage Parashara Maharishi's verses, I have a small request. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button below. This channel will be very useful to you. By subscribing to this channel, you can learn ancient astrology, remedies and mantras. In the book called Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, written by sage Parashara Maharishi, let's look at the 63rd and 64th shlokas from 57th chapter.
Mandasyantargate raho kalahascha manovyatha deha pida manastapa putra dvesho ruzo bhayam artha vyayo rajabhay swajah nadi virodhita videsha gamahnam chaiva griha kshetradi nashnam.
Here, sage Parashara Maharishi says that if Rahu is not in an auspicious house or exaltation, then the person passing through Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will face a lot of agony and physical distress. That person will face a lot of quarrels, danger from diseases, danger from governments, unwanted expenditures, loss of house, loss of agriculture lands, discord with relatives and hostility with sons. Next, in the 57th chapter of Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, we will look at 65th, 66th and 67th shlokas.
Lagnadipena sanyukte yoga karka sanyute svoche svakshetrage kendre daishalabha rashige ado sokhyam dhanavaptin grihakshetradi sampadam deva brahmana bhaktin cha tirtha yatradikam labhet चतुष्पाद जीव लाभ स्याद् गृहे कल्याणवर्धनम् मध्ये तु राजभीतिश्च पुत्र मित्र विरोधनम्.
Here sage Parashara Maharishi says that if Rahu is associated with Yogakaraka planet or Lagna Lord or placed in exaltation or in own sign or in Kendra or in 11th from ascendant or Dasha Lord Saturn, then the person passing through Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will experience enjoyment and will gain wealth in the beginning of the Antardasha. Such persons will also experience well-being in the family, increase in cattle wealth, increase in agricultural produce, increase in devotion towards God and holy people, and will gain opportunities for pilgrimages to holy places in the beginning of the Antardasha. During the middle of the Antardasha, people with such placements will experience cordial relations with the government and will experience happiness with friends. Now, we will look at the next 3 shlokas in the 57th chapter of Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra. This will be 68th, 69th and 70th shlokas of 57th chapter.
मेषे कन्या गते वापि कुलीरे वृषभे तथा मीना कोदन सिंहेषु गजान्तैश्वर्यमादिशेत् राजा सम्मनः भूषाप्तिन् मृदुला भरः सौख्यकृत् द्विसप्तमाधिपैर्युक्ते देहः बाधा भविष्यति मृत्युञ्जयं प्रकुर्वीतः छागः दानं च कारयेत् वृषदानं प्रकुर्वीतः सर्वः सम्पत्सुखावहम्.
Here sage Parashara Maharishi says that if Rahu is in Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Sagittarius or Pisces signs, then the person passing through Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will experience cordial relationship with the government and will gain wealth, valuable clothes, glory and opulence. He will also gain new vehicles. However, if Rahu is associated with the second lord or seventh lord from ascendant, then the person passing through Saturn Dasha Rahu Antardasha will experience extreme physical distress. This is because second house and seventh house from ascendant are Maraka houses, which means death inflicting houses. In order to obtain relief from the evil effects of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha, sage Parashara Maharishi instructs the following remedies. The first remedy which he is suggesting is chanting of Maha Mrityunjaya mantra. Maha Mrityunjaya mantra is a very powerful mantra which can save people from death, diseases and accidents. If you want to learn the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra, please refer to the mantra playlist in this channel. The second remedy is to donate a goat in charity. The third remedy is to donate a male bull in charity. But please remember that the individual effect of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha will depend on the individual birth chart. Always keep this in mind. If you want to analyze the effect of Saturn Dasha, Rahu Antardasha in an individual birth chart, then you should analyze the lordships and the positions of Saturn and Rahu in both the main chart as well as in all divisional charts. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment below. If you really like this video, please press the like button. Whenever you press the like button, it encourages me to share more and more useful information further. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button below. Only if you press the notification bell button, you will be able to receive notifications for my future videos.